Hello everybody, welcome to Blue Bike and Oil Channel. We're going to go for a little ride. I hadn't used this camera much and thought we'd just do a little ride and when we get over there I'll tell you about it. We're going to go to a old furnace, copper furnace or iron furnace, Civil War, pre-Civil War furnace over in near Etowah River and Altoona. So come along, we'll see how it goes. Run that intro. Welcome back everybody. Check to hear everything's all plugged in and working. I hope so. Hope you can hear me. I guess if you ain't, then you ain't watching this. If I ain't, I might, whatever. I'll figure it out. Anyway, it's come on, 70 degrees, but kind of look cool, nippy for May 28th. May 12th. Had a little cold front come through, rain all weekend, so this is Monday and I'm out riding. How about that? I gotta leave tomorrow sometime and go to Miami. This coil's, I've got the dang name of the dang place. But it's a furnace and it's over here. It's pre-Civil War and it's the last remaining part of the little settlement because when they built it down they flooded the valley. And it somewhat destroyed when Sherman came through his Atlanta siege, and the Corps engineer rebuilt it. I'll get all the information when I get over here. I hope we can get to it. That's a church. How about that? Out of the blow up things. Pretty neat. Anyway, that's the Etowah River right there. Etowah River. We over in Emeritus, Georgia. About 3 more miles we'll be on this furnace, and I can remember the name of it. So yeah, I believe this is the road we got to turn on. Old River Road. I'm gonna look and see where the new River Road is at. But like I said, this is headed out to the furnace. So hopefully it's open. Check out these old these railroad trestles going over the river. Etowah River, and this is 41. We're crossing under, but there's an old little shindig place up here. Shindig, huh? It's some kind of factory. See, the old bridge is right up here. Red bomb. It's Cooper furnace. That's what it is. But can't see the old pylons right there for the bridge, river bridge, or the highway bridge. Pretty neat. So yeah, so this is a day use ever and it should be open. This is a orchard, Riverside orchard. Beats me. That's what it said. Orchard. I don't know what kind of orchard. I think it's an asphalt mill, but this right here is what I was talking about. Like the fertilizer place, maybe, I guess. I didn't know this part was still in the thing. I think it's a water shooter, maybe, I don't know. Limited sight distance. That means you got to put your hand in front of your face. I don't know. But it's pretty cool little road. I guess that's what it meant by limited sight distance. You go around these curves, you can't see, I guess. And it's pretty much a one-lane road. sure. I think it is paved all the way to the end. But out once the thing was closed. Cooper Furnace. It's a long story. Somebody bought it, and he sold half his shares in it when the Crawford somebody, and then he sold half the shares to the furnace to build the railroad spur that come out here. And the spur, one of the engines they used was in the Great Chain Wrecks, or Chain Chase, came from this site. Back for Kennesaw, day use area. Ooh. Cooper's day use area, Altoona. Comes out here. Okay. Says water subject suddenly changing rise turbulence and all like that. Oh man, we gotta pay. Didn't see nobody in there. I'm just gonna ride out here. I like that little camper. Pretty neat. Got it. So, got a bathhouse, got a playground, got a shelter, got a volleyball court or a badminton, badminton. There she is. That's what we're looking for. Big old furnace. I'm pretty sure this is all out here. But the dam, let's see if I don't think you see the dam out here. Another bathhouse. Take to the hiking trail up to the top of the mountain. And then Etowah, Altoona Dam and Visitor Parks up there. I put that video up when we went up there. I don't know how far we can go down here. Gates open means we can go on down, so we can go down here and see the dam, I guess. Ooh, pretty. Kind of looks like that dam in Harrison Ford deal, ain't it? Franklin Dam. I put that video up here too. I don't know how many cars I can put up. Boy, they ain't pulling water. Another dam. Damn right. Another damn terror. Those are the floodgates. Let's hope to be out here when they starts. So this is Altoona Dam. I guess they made them mad. They leaving. I ruined their makeout session, I guess. Was y'all making out? Like I said, there's another road on the other side you can go around to if you can't get no closer than we are here. Because I think it stops right over there, I believe. Well, this ain't another damn tour. This is a furnace tour. So let's go check out the furnace. No climbing on the furnace, but can you go down there to it? So this is the Cooper Furnace Ironworks, and it was, I guess you can if it's not all around it. It just says no climbing on it. The history of the first Cooper Furnace, it was only visible remains of the town of Etowah, Georgia, once thriving town of Etowah, Georgia, which stretched from a mile upriver from the Orange Work and was the center of the milling and manufacturing town of the founder in 1830 by Jacob Stroup, whose son Mosey erected the furnace and many other factories in the 1847 Georgia Congressman Mark Anthony Cooper, with the finance help from Andrew M. Wiley, purchased the furnace and related business from Mosey Stroup. Also located here was the spike and nail mill and flour mill, rolling mill, and the foundry, a hotel, homes of people who worked in the area, the spur track connected to town to the Western Atlantic Railroad, and the switch engine Yonah was used to haul freight from Etowah to the station at the Etowah crossing. The Yonah played an important role in the Great Locomotive Chase during the Civil War, or the War of Northern Aggression, as I like to call it. It produced pig iron, nails, spikes, rails, pot tools, cannons, and other related items. So pretty much you had a thing that blow the furnace, heat the mill, counterbalanced and all. So this is. This is the Cooper Trail furnace trail. So I'm assuming, as long as we don't climb on it. Pretty neat. That's a couple more. There you have it, folks. The Mark Anthony Cooper furnace. I don't know why you did that. I don't know why you did that either. Disconnected myself. Anyway, so it's pretty neat. It says no climbing on furnace, no climbing on oh, it said no one beyond this point. Oh, oops. They should have made the fence go all around it there. Anyway, pretty neat. So I hope you enjoyed this little history lesson. The last remaining town of Etowah, Georgia, is all on the other side of the dam underwater. So like Smith Lake was. Check out that video, another dam tour. So they got one campsite, I guess, two. Nobody put their money in that thing. There's a bird nest in it. Anyway, I hope y'all ride safe. I hope y'all enjoyed the video and ride safe. And we'll catch you on the next adventure of the Blue Bike and Doors channel. Or, I don't know what we'll do. Have no clue, no plans, no much of anything. Plan, you know. I'd like to go to Bigfoot Museum, probably feed some more Walking Dead stuff. We'll just have to wait and see. Maybe we'll ride with Hammer Eye some more. I'd like to take him up. He ain't never been up to Little River Canyon. Anyway, so y'all enjoy your days, and we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all ride safe. Be 10-10 on the side.